Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing number 199. Let's start with this box here. We're missing a 2 and a 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 covering both of these boxes, so our 5 has to be here. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this column now, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. I'm not seeing any help. So 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 9. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 6, and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 9. 6 covering these two boxes, so 4, 9, 4, 9. And that means our 6 has to be here. To finish out this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this row, we're missing a 6 and a 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 1. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 9. No help here, 6, 8, 9, and an 8 here, so 6, 9. For this column, looks like we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got a 3 and 4 here, so this is our 8. No help down here, so 3, 4, 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 9, a 6 here, so 2, 9. That means our 6 has to be here. For this top row, we're missing 2, 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 5 and a 9 here, so 2, 8. A 2 and an 8 here, so 5, 9. 2 and a 5 here, so 8, 9. And just the 9 here, so 2, 5, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 7, and 9. We've got the 3 here and a 7 and 9 here. So this is our 2. And we've got the 7 here. So 3, 9. Wait, is that right? Let's see. So this 2 would make this our 9 and 2. The 2 and 9 would make this our 7 and our 3. This 2 would make this our 8, 9, 5, 2. And for here, this would be our 9. So for this box now, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 and 8 here. So this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 4, 9, 2. And that 9 makes this our 8. So we can get rid of this 8. That 9 makes this our 6, 9. finish out this box, we're missing a 3. For this row now, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 here and a 5 here. So 7, 8, 4, 8, and the 9 here. So that makes this our 7, 8, we've got a 5 here, so 4, 5, and I think we have made a mistake again. We'll go ahead and do this, 3, 4, that leaves a 1 and a 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1, but we've got 2 5s here, and a 7 and 8 here. So that is not going to work out. We got so close, everybody. All right. Leave it down in the comments below if you saw where I made that mistake. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for puzzle 200. How's that? All right. Goodbye, everybody.